Mrs. Lim bought the same number of adult and child admission tickets for a show. She spent $306 and $127.50 on adult and child tickets respectively. Each adult ticket costs $10.50 more than each child ticket. How much did she pay for an adult ticket? Now, to do this question, what we can do is to use the grouping technique. So since we know that she bought the same number of adult and child tickets, which means that for every one adult ticket she buys, she will also buy one child ticket. Alright, so if for example, she buys just one of each, so one adult and one child. Alright, the difference in pricing will be equals to $10.50. This is for one each. But now I know that she has definitely bought more than one ticket. Why is that so? Because the difference is not $10.50. The difference in her cost between the adults and the child tickets is actually $306 minus 127.50. Okay, this is the actual difference that she had. 306 minus 127.5, 178.5. Okay, so to achieve this difference here, how many tickets must she have bought? Alright, remember, for each ticket, the difference is already $10.50. So to achieve 178.50, we just have to do a division. $17 tickets each, which means to get to this difference here, 178.5, we need this person to buy 17 adult tickets and 17 child tickets. Alright, for each ticket, remember the difference is $10.50. So if it's 17 tickets, the difference will be $10.50 times 17, which will give us the actual difference of 178.5. So how much did she pay for an adult ticket? That will be $306 divided by 17 adult tickets. $306 divided by 17, and the answer will be $18. Okay, now let's do a quick check. Try and find one child ticket. Okay, so child ticket will be 127 divided by 17 children. 127.5 divided by 17, that's $7.50. So can we find the difference between the adult and the child ticket? 18 minus 750, which will give us the actual difference between each child and adult ticket of $10.50, which means that our answer of $18 for adult ticket is correct.